Hello, everybody. Good morning. It's been 2 weeks since I've live streamed. My voice is much better. I'm definitely recovered from the C word. I think I'm definitely much better now. Thank you guys for asking, some of you. Welcome. What's going on, everybody? It's been too long since I've live streamed. It's been way too long. What do you guys been up to? How's everybody? Let's do a roll call. Mr. Steven Cicero, Mike the Miner, Rude Puts, Oval Bore Tech, good sir. Hello, Rude Puts, Dan Ruggs, Pepe. Dan Ruggs, Pepe. I love it. Wait, let's check out. Let's see what Pepe's at. Let's see. 65% up. Let's see. All time. All right. So, okay. All right. Yeah, it's had a little bit of a pump. It's good. I think, wait, 3,300%? Dude, that's nuts. I think literally 2 days ago, I remember someone saying they took out a mortgage and bought Pepe at the bottom here. So they made, let's see, it looks like double. Looks like it went up double since then. Nice, nice, nice. Don't recommend anyone doing that. Custom Computing, what's up? Vanja Gajic, what's up, man? Gayak. Probably Silent J, I don't know. Black Cat Crypto, Alltrack. Hello, Carl M. Missed you, Panda. Missed you too, man. Carl M, I know you emailed me. I didn't respond yet, and I haven't sent you anything yet. So just in case you were wondering. Brian Robinson, Kara Hang, Wolf. What's up? What's up, guys? Thank you, Retro Mike, for the 5 gifted subs earlier. Thank you, good sir. Hit that like button, my friends. Thank you for being here. So, what's the topic for today? No idea. I brought up a bunch of different things. To be honest with you all, I have not kept up with GPU mining for the past 2 weeks. I've been into just, you know, building the infrastructure in my mining location area. I haven't really done much of anything in terms of GPU mining. I know I've been into a lot of ASICs recently, but that's because, yeah, everyone's been sending me ASICs, and it's just, it's a lot. It's a lot to go through. One-man show. Hopefully you guys understand. Every time I do ASIC content, it's like, Red Panda's getting away from GPU mining, and then, you know, I come back, and then, you know, cycle comes again, back to ASICs. It's never ending. But hopefully everyone knows I've been into I'm into everything. Okay. Retro Mike, thanks for the 3 months. Don't thank me. Thank the people that actually watch your videos. Terrible. Just terrible. 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 I love it. I love it. All right. I just wanted to see how the market is doing after these past years for proof of work coins. Volume, circulating supply, market cap. I like market. No, we're gonna take out 7-day chart, market cap. Travels. What's up? UK's Miner Club. You don't need to keep up with GPUs when the Ice River is bringing in so much per day. I actually have here's a little, I'm doing a test, a 1-day test. It hasn't been 24, actually 1 more hour. It'll be 24 hours. Now this Ice River will be mining about 27,000 Caspa. I think 28 after the hour end. So that's almost $600 US per day. This is, it used to be about 1,000 and then it went down to 850 and then the price of Caspa has been going up and down. So it's been fluctuating a lot. Of course, Bitcoin went down from 30K to 27K, so it's brought down Caspa quite a bit. Network bits. Convert your helium hotspots to crank already. $10 a day, next to nothing for cost and electricity. Network bits. I want to do that. I just have not been able to do that. I have so many projects to convert. Yes, a lot of things. Helium hotspot to crank. Yes, I will. I definitely will have a video doing that. Definitely. Thanks for being here. Patrick Murphy. YouTube is really sucking eggs today. Yes, it is. It's the ban. I don't know. It seems like my stream's been going off and on for some reason, but hit that like, guys. YouTube needs to know the stream exists. It's been something wrong is happening here. Anyways, Dan Ruggs, Pepe, email me the code for the crank code from Contest Nerd. Dan Ruggs, did you not get the code? That's on. Email me again. I will publicly call out Craig on Twitter. Serpent. No, I am good. No issues except for music cut out earlier. Yeah. Same. Okay. Quick things. I don't know if anyone cares. LOL Miner had an update 3 days ago. BZ Miner had an update 3 days ago. Binance announces their exit from Canada. Fortunately for me, I never used Binance, so that's okay for me. But for anyone else in Canada, just a quick thing. Anyone that's watching right now, get your crypto off of Binance. If not already, if you've probably heard from millions of people from a lot of stuff that's been happening over the past year. Not your keys, not your crypto, all that good stuff. That's it. New proof of work coins. I saw something called, what is this cryonic? What is the algorithm Yes Power LTNCG? Like, this is insane. There's already 1,700 miners, wallet addresses mining on this new coin called Cryonic. What is this? Is anyone mining this? Is this a CPU coin? I have no idea. Interesting. Halvings, important halvings coming up. Litecoin in 82 days. Let's see. Bitcoin's in 350 days. Ethereum Classic is having their 5th inning. It's not a halving, but a 5th inning in 374 days, about a year from now. And that's it. Hyla Coin in 1,033 days. Jeez. That doesn't look like a... Is that a halving? Block reward reduction from 0.05 to 0.0025. Yeah, that's a halving. Okay. Nice. Nice. Serpent. Yes, power. Yes, as a CPU primarily, but some can be mined with GPU. Depends on the variant. Oh, nice. Interesting. Cryonic. It sounds very familiar from to another coin. What's this? Elherium. look at this. Elherium. Ethash. Is this Ethereum without the T here? Oh man, that's funny. Why is there already 618 people mining this coin? What? Why? Like why? Elherium. I love it. What song is this? Synthwave Metal, Xenomorph, White Bat Audio. No copyright, hopefully. Okay. Guys, what else? Oh, Flux Labs just had a proof of useful work live stream. I have not been able to watch it yet. I didn't catch the live, but I've been wondering if you guys were able to catch the live. Did you guys catch any hot takes? Any useful information? I guess it's all useful information, as pun intended. Okay, that was bad. Was there anything to take away from this live stream? Did I miss it? Well, what did I miss? Can you get Retro Mike? What did I miss? You missed all the good stuff. Okay, what? Tell me some things. What's the requirements? Do I need like 256 gigabytes of RAM on my motherboard? Is it like 32 gigabytes per GPU? give me the rundown. What's the stuff here? Well, Geek of all trades, bro. So much proof of use work goodness coming soon. Tell me the good stuff. Should we watch this whole live stream in an hour on this stream? Should I turn down the music? Let's listen here.
It's water, really, water.
Hydrate, buddy. That's the key. Hydrate. Always hydrate.
The power edge you got is gonna be a beast. Geek of all trades. Okay. But how can I fit a GPU in there? It's a 1U. No node required for proof of use of work. Graphics cards are so cheap right now. Okay, my take is proof of use. Henry, New York. Why? Why is proof of use of work dead on arrival? Why? Anything you can do, Chum Change XD can do better. What kind of whose name is that? Who did that? For good info, say my name. I love it. I love it. Okay, you know what? We're not gonna watch this live. I want to talk over it. Okay. So, what else? What else is happening? Tell me. You guys are my ears. Watched it. I want that university test computer for the stream. What? Travelers travels. A4000, A5000. Yeah, that kind of makes sense because of the compute and the VRAM on there, I guess. Retro Mike, I can send you a Tesla GPU for your server. Okay, so are you saying we need all these Tesla GPUs? DJ Mines, they used Forex A6000s in their demo. Oh my god, A6000s? Those things are like over 2 grand. 3 grand, I think. I don't know. They're insane. Patrick Murphy, it's not all going to be based on the GPU. Right. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you need to factor in CPU, RAM, PCIe bus speed, all that stuff, right? Of course. Have we gotten any direct reliable info on which hardware we need to do proof of use for work? I'm asking you guys. I haven't watched the live stream yet. I'm asking you guys. Did they hint on any requirements? 4x the host RAM over GPU VRAM. 4x the host RAM over GPU VRAM. So an A4000 has 16 gigabytes of VRAM. That means the system memory needs to be 90 or 64 gigabytes for one GPU. What? Any hardware will work. They are targeting all types. Retro mic. Okay, nice. That I would think so. It would be kind of ridiculous having like 64 gigabytes of RAM for one GPU. That's kind of insane. No regular person would be able to participate in something like that. All track, the network bandwidth. Jeff Key said download speed more important. Perfect, perfect. I have the download speed. I personally don't have great upload speed. I do not have great... DJ Mines, I sent you a photo of what they showed. Okay. Let's see. What time stamp is this? Oh, that is sick. So there's like a web GUI. Wait, this looks like a Ledger. This looks like a Ledger Live GUI. Like, is this their own software? Is this its own like proprietary software? This is pretty sick. Xeon A6000 Samsung ECC memory. How much RAM? Total 768 gigabytes. Oh my god, that's insane. That's insane. That's insane. 760, dude. RAM prices are gonna go through the roof, if not already. Server RAM, especially newer server RAM, is not cheap. Dude. Dude, this is gonna be expensive. I love it. I love it. Geek of All Trades, just sent you what Jeff Key shared in Discord after the AMA. Okay. Geek of All Trades, opening. Oh, okay, here's a clear picture. Oh, that's better, that's better. Oh yeah, look at that. That's sick. Network, 391 Mbps upload, 888 download. Is that the benchmark? That's the benchmark, I'm assuming. This is nice, Geek of All Trades. This is nice. Benchmarking, settings, services, mining account, reward, devices. That's sick. Balance, assets. Dude, this is... Create new worker. That's awesome. That's awesome. It's gonna be posted, so it's not all or nothing. Okay. All right, that's pretty sick. What's this next? Let's see what this next one is. Okay, so so benchmarking. Wait, can you guys see this? I want to make sure. Yeah, okay, I'm showing it. Yeah, okay. The agent is going to be live on just about any OS. Geek of All Trades, nice. Okay, so, like what? Linux, Windows, yeah, I guess. How many instances, how many agents do you need? Is this just one agent and it's just, it can see, it's based on the subnet, like it sees on your network? Like you can have multiple of these workers pointing to this one node agent? Is that how it works? Geek of All Trades, one per machine. Oh, okay. So you need this agent per workstation, per build, whatever. Okay, nice. I like it. That's fine. I think that's great. It's just like, having a Hive OS instance for each mining rig, right? You need to have the operating system for your mining rig per. So this is like same idea. You need this per. Okay, nice. Damn, that's a lot of RAM. 3200 megahertz, 768 gigabytes of RAM. Intel Xeon Golds. Oh man, that's 4.53 gigahertz. 4 A6000s, dude. That is amazing. That is amazing. Well, it's an Asus. This is the workstation board. Yeah, Asus WS 12 by 64 gigabyte Samsung ECC memory. Oh man, that alone is probably like $5,000. I love it. I love it. Okay, going on. There's one more final. Let's open this up. What's this? Speaking of all trades, all workers. A4000. Okay, so you can see another. You can see. So is this like the GUI for like the agent for all of the agents? Like you can connect all the agents to one dashboard? Is that what I'm getting at? Like there's gonna be a website that's connecting to a like a HiveOS login. Like you're going to hiveos.farm and then you can see this web page. Is this a web page or is this a software? If you think you don't have high specs on your PC, you might as well not get into the game and stay on the bench. Yeah, I mean, honestly, there you know what? There's a lot of people out there that have this type of hardware. I mean, non-miners that have this type of hardware. You may potentially see like people that have workstation, you know, server grade Xeon servers, you know, ATX style workstation Xeons, and you know, compute GPUs like the A series. Those guys can already participate. Yeah, easily. But your regular Joe, like I would say like me for instance, or any of you guys that don't do any 3D rendering, computing, CAD, AutoCAD, you're not like an engineer of some sort that utilizes this type of hardware, if not already, then you're gonna have to spend a pretty penny. You're gonna spend a pretty penny if you want this type of stuff. But someone just said, DJ, you can still participate, but yes, other with better stuff will make more. Right. That makes sense. Yeah. You can participate like DJ said, but you'll be at the back of the line and probably never get into the front of low spec PC. Well, see, this is exactly it. When you go to something like vast.ai, okay, this, you can just go on demand pricing here. Nobody is going to rent your RTX 3060 rig. Like, people are going to rent your 3090s. People are going to rent your 4090s. People are going to rent your A6000s. People are going to rent your Xeons, your Epic CPUs, your more higher end stuff, right? For this type of workload. Vast.ai, like, no one's going to rent your Celeron CPU, you know, 3060. But see, now how does flux proof of useful work distinguish upon that? Do people get to choose what type of hardware they're going to rent? Did someone ask that question? I don't know if anyone asked that. How is it going to, do people get to choose the type of hardware, or is it going to be like, it depends on the type of work you want, right? You don't get to choose the hardware. It's all network distributed. You can't see this type of rental. It's people are going to be choosing based on whatever flux. I don't know. How are they going to choose? How does it automatically choose the hardware? Vast.ai is dedicating per machine. This doesn't look like it's going to work that way. They are going to rent compute as needed, not dedicated machine, although they could if needed. Okay, Geek of all trades, that makes sense. And you can slice it out as you want. Not all or nothing thing yet. Okay, sweet. So many questions and not a lot of answers. How much flux do you need for your node RPM? Wolf, I've already hit the 12,500 flux for my Nimbus node. I just I just haven't had the time to do my servers yet. Okay, I'm getting my power infrastructure up before I can do my servers. I think people will want to rent their low end. I think people will think people will rent their low end hardware maybe for cheap, slower jobs. Right, but how do they? Right, how is the workload going to be distributed that way? Like, how are they gonna know what is gonna go to what? Like, how does it know, per se? or they simply just be able to choose. Benchmarks are going to dictate the useful work your machine will work at best and will be pooled to work on the job. Geek of all trades, that's perfect. Okay, that's the perfect explanation right there. All right, I like that. I like that. So based on the benchmarking percentage or points, I guess, that will be pooled together, and then and the workload that it's whatever workload it's going to be in that tier, I guess, tier of hardware essentially. That's cool. That's cool. Awesome. I like that. All right, Retro Mike, they said you can control the scheduling too. If you only wanted to do proof of useful work for an hour a day, you can config that. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. That's good. That's good, actually. Let's see. Going down. Keep in mind, if there are no jobs, there is no work. I'd like to know more about their backlog. Right. Jeffkey said you can benchmark ahead of time. Right, obviously. Render is overpopulated, and it has been for a long time since they offered new sign up or email people. I got statistics about Vast.ai. Currently, there is more supply than there is demand. Okay, so GPU rental for rendering or compute on Vast.ai, apparently, what I've heard just about a week or two ago, that really the demand on Vast.ai right now is about 50 to 60%. And so there's about 50 to 40% of hardware that's on here that's not being used. So that's one thing I'm kind of concerned about regarding with Flux proof of useful work. I mean, I'm not concerned, but it's the demand. Is there going to be enough people out there actually going to be, you know, renting this type of hardware and also utilizing the compute power for Flux on proof of useful work? Because yeah, there are tons of these types of, not tons, but there are a bunch of these, you know, Vast.ai, a bunch of other compute rental, GPU rental sites out there. So there's a lot of supply, but there's just not a lot of demand at this point in time. At this point in time. So I don't know what can. There's got to be a lot more demand out there somehow. I know there's been a lot of talk about AI and stuff, but what projects, what small businesses, what corporations, enterprises out there are going to, you know, somehow utilize this type of stuff rather than having their own in-house servers, their own hardware, you know, in-house. There's tons of people that do it in-house rather than people renting online, right? Renting from other people. So that's one thing to think about, right? So I wouldn't just go all out and spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on this and you're expecting to have a lot of return for some reason. I don't know. Just do your own research. Spend money that you're willing to lose, essentially, and you're not expecting massive return. Honestly, I would use hardware that you have currently. All right, don't go balls out like, oh, I'm gonna buy like 10 4090s for this, you know, like just do what you have, like use what you have and just see how it goes, right? I don't think it's not financial advice. I don't want people to spend insane amount of money for this. Like, don't go crazy until we've seen some, you know, confirmation of like, oh man, this is amazing, or I don't know, even then there's still gonna be when that happens, if it's like really good, then there's gonna be a flock of people and RAM prices are gonna go up. A4000s, A6000s are gonna go up double the price. Can you imagine that? Could you imagine? I like this though. I like the web GUI here. All right, I missed all your guys' comments here. I'm gonna scroll up. Have you picked the winner for the hash rate giveaway on the ASIC you have chosen to keep for 3 you got test out? Gaming with Smoking Dan? No, I have not. I'm gonna do that in a video next week sometime. I'm gonna choose the winner live when I'm recording the video. But how is Vast selling their service? Just putting in a marketplace online isn't gonna bring the users to their product. How is Vast not selling their service? Well, yeah, you gotta go through their service on here, pretty much. You have to make an account. You gotta put in credits, then you can rent. You can choose the hardware, that type of thing. Trillion Capital, what's up, man? Economy has tanked and getting worse. All the layoffs and cutbacks are in the tech sector. Trillion Capital, yeah, there you go. There you go. That's a really big indicator there. Like what companies are going to be needing to spend that type of money to rent out that type of thing. Especially with the economy right now, especially. DJ Mines, so many miners out there with their rigs ready to be turned on, just waiting for proof of use to work. Jobs will be the real issue to supply miners. Yep. I agree. I agree. I'm not trying to be pessimistic here. I'm all for this. What Flux is doing is amazing. Just this disclaimer here. I think this is going to be awesome. But yeah, think about the other side of it. Like, is there going to be the demand there? Is the demand going to be there? I hope so. I want it to. Of course, we all want the demand to be there. Just, WX2. Let's see. Geek of all trades. The resources needed to do compute in-house is super expensive. Where can they export the compute jobs for a fraction of the cost for upfront costs of hardware? Yeah, Geek of all trades. Yep. But I mean, I know that a lot of corporations or enterprises that, buy the in-house hardware obviously depreciate the hardware. There are some tax breaks, tax stuff when you buy stuff like that as a in an IT data center type of world. People play that game all the time. But yeah, of course, there's you can expense the hash rental as well. There's tons of stuff. It really depends. Really depends. Missing so many comments here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry if I don't read everyone's comments. Tot Cow, are you playing Diablo this weekend? Oh. DJ Mines mentioned something about Diablo to me earlier. Yes. I would love to. Is there a power usage for this proof of use to work? How much power will a 4090 use for proof of use to work? I'm not quite sure. Was there a power usage reading on here? I don't see any. I don't see any watts type of thing here. Yes, if they buy the hardware, they can use that on this proof of use to work when they aren't using it, right? Geek of all trades, I wonder how, switching the software would work with something like that. I wonder how fluid that can be. How they can do that. Like, shut off the VM and then a new VM turns on like a scheduler. I know in VMware ESXi there's a scheduler. There are third-party schedulers for hypervisors. You could turn off a VM and turn back on another one for a different type of work. Yeah, there's tons. Oh man, in my mind, there's tons of stuff out there you could do. Yeah, tons of stuff. Mine something. What's up, man? Since the US cut off China from best chips, maybe they'll use Flux. But seriously, we need companies to start using crypto. We need clarity. I like that. This is to promote the understanding, and if people want to introduce the possible customers to Flux and use them, right? D4 server slammed for the win. Oh, he can't log in. Game of all trades. It live on the OS level, not bare metal. So you dictate, not bare metal. Right? Yeah, OS level. So you dictate it in the VM. Okay, right. It goes back to the. Let me see if that VMware. You know, scheduler. Create a task. Schedule task. Okay, no, there's some backup scheduler. CPU scheduler. Man, there's a lot of different schedule. All right, yeah, there's tons of different schedulers out there. I'm sure somebody is gonna utilize that. Yeah, that makes sense. You know, turn off proof of use of work for something for a period of time, and then okay. What else, bros? Was there anything else to take away from the live stream? I'll watch it, of course. Peg machines based on requirements for appropriate tasks. Ability to tweak the miner side for useful work category. Oh, nice. I like that. That's cool. Would this be able to mine flux within here? Can you do mining flux in this GUI of some sort in the agent? I'm sure that's an option. DJ Mines, they said at Mining Disrupt the first proof of use of work task in real life. Nice. Okay, sounds good. Techman, who won the 6800? Andrew Ferrero. If you go to that video, you'll see the pinned comment. Andrew, run the 6800 from me. Non-XT. Non-XT. A100s. Oh my god, A100s cost so much. Dude, those things cost a lot. Okay, guys. Another 20 minutes here. You guys have any other things you guys want to talk about? I think that's enough about Flux proof of use of work. I mean, I'm excited for sure. I think everyone's excited. But you know, I'm not trying to have my high expectations here, because I think it's all going to come down to if people are going to be using it or not, right? The supply, and there's going to be a lot of supply, but maybe the demand might not be there. I'm hopeful. I want it to be great. Yeah, I know it's probably going to be awesome in terms of the tech. But is the demand gonna be there? That's just, you know, I gotta have that at the back of my head. I think a lot of people have that as well, but it's just, you know, hopefully there's demand for this type of stuff. Hopefully a lot of people can utilize it in some way. All right, you guys have any questions? Black Cat Crypto, do you know anything about Novo? No. Geek of all trades. GP mining is dead. Pretty much. No, just kidding. It's not. It's dead for people that have higher electrical costs, but it's not dead for those that have lower electrical costs, obviously. Aeon up 131% in the past 24 hours. Expand 66%. Meowcoin 11%. Nexa 10%. Aletheium 10%. Radiant, Ironfish 5%, 6%. Where's Caspa? 2%. Okay. Let's just go back past 90 days. Okay, 90 days, Radiant is still doing pretty good. 515%. Meowcoin 415, Conflux, Caspa, that's still up over the past 90 days, but obviously down over the past 30 days. Look at this. Pigeon Coin up 171% the past 30 days. Wow. I like that. All track. Don't forget to get your mail today. Oh, I don't think I can today. All track. I have so many places to go today, actually. I'll try. Let's see. Is your S19 Pro really sent from Indonesia? Yes. Sayoga? Apparently it is, yes. Bitmain does have a manufacturing depot place in Indonesia and Malaysia. Yes, they do. What else? Chump change. I've been here just driving. Lamau. Guys, we have 155 people watching, 73 likes. Hit that like. Retro Mike, thank you for the donation earlier. And Mr. Chump Change, I want my money back. All my debt is because of RedPandaMining. Chump Change. Terrible. Okay. Black Hat Crypto, is it worth it for a Hive mapper? You know, from what I've been hearing, I haven't really gotten into Hive Mapper yet. They did just send me a Hive Mapper. I haven't opened it yet. Like I said, I've been so busy, guys. I have so many things to do, so many projects that like the past couple months that I've been sitting doing nothing. I just need more time. I need more mental capacity, and I have a lot of sponsor obligations that I need to do first before I can head into all these other projects I need to get into. It's such a busy time, guys. It's the bear market, and for some reason I feel like I'm even more busier than I was in the bull run. For some god-awful reason, it is more busier now than it was 2021 or 2022. I have no idea why. It just feels a lot more. It just feels worse for me. I don't know why. It shouldn't feel worse. It should feel better. But it feels like I'm busier now than I've ever been. I don't know how to explain it. I think the thing is, more and more people keep on reaching out to me, communicating with me, and then there's also a lot more. I would say there's been a lot more sponsors this time for some reason. But the obligations are a little bit more higher expectations. So I think that's why I've had a lot more work. I've a lot more work to do. That's why. Retro Mike, more busier. Is that Canadian English? No, but that's my English, okay? There's busier and then there's more busier. All right, I have definitions. I have my own definition. Serpent, because you're a big YouTuber. Dude, I am not a big YouTuber. Dude, I'm not big at all. If you look at other YouTubers out there, they're way bigger than I am, and they have teams of people. Okay, I don't know if I can afford yet to pay people, but you know, I would like to get to that point to have like a video editor. That would save me so much time, because video editing is what takes the most time, right? And then doing the content, doing the videos, creating the videos, that's a lot of time and a lot of mental. It takes a lot of mental. Doing YouTube takes a lot of mental capacity. I don't know how to explain it, but there's a lot of things you need to have the focus and discipline to do this type of thing. I mean, that goes with anything in life that you want to do in life. It takes a lot of focus. It really does. Hi from Amsterdam, Mining Pirate. What's up, man? Magic Lucky. I suspect Panda's French is worse than his English. I don't speak French, so don't even ask me. Je ne comprends pas. That's all I know. That's all I can say. It means I don't know. How long till you can do your giveaway in EU? Wolf, when shipping becomes cheaper. I shipped out a little ASIC to someone in the UK. It cost me $150. It pretty much cost almost the same price as the miner itself. dude, shipping anything outside North America is dumb. All right, I'm gonna say, I've said it so many times. Shipping outside North America is just insane. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but people keep asking. It's like, when are you gonna ship to EU? I would love to ship to EU, trust me. But it takes 8 weeks and it takes over a couple $100 sometimes to ship something. Network bits. Being a crypto YouTuber blows. No women watching, just simps and incels. True. Simps and incels. Hey, we're all degenerates. Cody Johnson, thank you for being a member for 2 months. Are you purchasing regular proof of work equipment over building proof of use for work? Just traded 9 P106s for 6 8-card server cases with 2,000 mining PSUs. Cody Johnson, I'm not going all in, but I am getting ready for some. Yes, I'm not going all in, but I'm getting ready for some. Yes, I did mention in a video earlier, I have some of these boards were actually meant for Aleo mining. Aleo is there were some requirements for Aleo mining F2 pool. Let me see it here. You need the PCIe bandwidth, Gen 3 X8, at least 8 core CPUs, at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabyte SSD storage. These motherboards I have coming are meant for Aleo, but I don't know if they're going to be suitable for Flux proof of useful work. They have Xeon processors, they have server ECC RAM, but they have 8 slots, 8 PCIe lanes per slot. So, but I don't know if it's going to be good for this. Well, we're going to see. I'm going to be testing it. I'm going to be testing it out. Yeah. Okay, gentlemen, final questions. Any final questions here? We're gonna I gotta go somewhere in like half an hour. Let's see. Have you seen the talk about Bitcoin ordinals? I haven't paid much attention. Yeah, there was some, Bitcoin blockchain was really oversaturated, or really a lot of transaction fees were happening on the blockchain because of ordinals and, you know, the NFT stuff just recently. I've personally made an ordinals account already, but I haven't done a ordinals transaction or whatever yet. Oh, Jeff Key's here. Jeff Key, hello, good sir. Who gave RedPandaMining access to the system? I am changing everything right now, Jeff Key. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I can see. I can zoom in on it. I can change the RAM. No, just a screenshot. I wish I could change it. I wish I could touch this. I wanna try this so bad. I wanna try this on. Dude, I can't wait. Yeah, because I have these motherboards coming that have dual Xeons. ECC RAM, 64 gigs of RAM, and I could put 8 GPUs on this board with 8 PCIe lanes per slot. So if that could be good on here. Oh, actually, yeah, an SSD storage. I don't think it has NVMe on it, but I think it has SSD at least. Hopefully that's okay. That'd be sick. That'd be so sick. Can't wait to try it. Max voltage, someone cut that out. I wish I could touch this. Terrible. Terrible. When RedPandaMining NFT? Probably never. I don't want to be involved in that stuff. I don't want the tax man to come after me. Want to go walleye fishing, Jeff Key? SSD is fine. Okay, perfect. Good. I see that you have a Seagate Iron Wolf Pro mechanical spinning Rust hard drive in here. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Geek of all trades, what gen are the PCIe lanes? PCIe 3.0. It's not 4.0 for the one that I have coming. I bought 10 of these boards. I'm actually going to be shipping a few boards out to the mining. I'm going to ship one out to the Mining King. I'm going to ship a board to Chump Change, probably Max. And we're gonna test out these boards and see how they work. I'm gonna try it on Vast.ai. I'm gonna try for Aleo mining. I don't know if Aleo's actually on. Is Aleo on mainnet? Does anyone know? Anyways, where is it? They have it. Afterpool was the first one to have Aleo mining available, but I don't know if it's good or not. And then of course when it comes out, we'll try this. The Flux proof of use will work. It'll be awesome. Andrew Ferrer, what's up, man? Another RPM stream tomorrow? Of course. Have you ordered another Ice River Midwest Miner? No, I don't have $30,000 to make another. To buy another one. Jeffkey, zip drives are fine for you, Retro Mike Tech. Oh my god. Dude, zip drives. Dude, what was the green one? I remember I had the green ones. Were they like 900 megabytes? Jazz discs? Jazz. J-A-Z. Oh my god, this was the best. Does anyone had this? I had this. I had the zip drives and Jazz disc. Jazz drive. Dude, this was hilarious. I think I still have it. I should bring it up. I should whip it out. See if it actually works. It's so funny. It was zip drive and then this came out shortly after. After zip drive. From what I remember. Man, those were fun times. Max voltage, RPM, take my spot tonight. I'm gonna be out to a friend's party, birthday. I will not be available this evening. I'm sorry. Low buck mining. I still have one in my basement. A jazz drive. That's awesome. Does it even work? You probably need like Windows XP or Windows Millennium, Windows 2000 or something. Oh man, I love it. Jeffkey, one question. All the workers in this page here, is this all the agents on the same network? Is this like a web GUI that you can access on Jetpack online? Is this like a online GUI or a software? Is there like a master software that you can see all the workers on your network? How does that? Is this what it's showing right now? Jeffkey, all same network and also available on the net. Hey, nice. Okay, sweet. So it's kind of like a, like a similar idea to like Hive OS. You have all your mining rigs and the OSs installed on each rig, and then you have a master management. Nice, that's cool. It's management software. Sweet, that's sick. Awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, gentlemen, it's time to end the stream pretty soon. Who's streaming after me? Rabid Mining, yes. Okay, he's got an amazing title. Everything is crashing. Ethereum network goes down? Question mark. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ethereum network goes down. That's all we need. That's all we need. Okay, sick. I will watch the proof of use of work updates and AMA with Charity Winner. Oh, Charity Winner. I like it. I like it. I like it. I gotta watch it. I'm gonna listen to this on the drive. I gotta drive here in a sec. So, all right, bros. Thank you for today. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for the fun. It's been 2 weeks since I live streamed. I was really sick. I'm pretty sure I had the C word, but I'm all better now. I'm going to redirect everybody to Mr. RedPandaMining. And you guys have a wonderful day. I appreciate all of you. Hit that like on the way out. See you guys next time. Have a safe day. Appreciate you all. Have a good one, bros. Have a good one. Jeff Key, when you pass Manitoba one day, let me know. We'll get together. Manitoba. One day. Manitoba. I will, Jeff Key. Yes, I will, my friend. Fellow Canadian brother. Of course, my friend. All right. Peace out, bros. Peace out. Patrick Murphy. Have a good one, Serpent. See ya, Ninja Kid. Have a good one. Fully Electric. See ya, man. Black Cat. Smokey Dan. Have a good one. Peace out, bros. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.